In this video, I'll show you how to use Luma AI for free, create AI-generated videos, and turn simple text prompts into cinematic content without spending money. Let's get started. What is Luma AI? Luma AI is an advanced AI video generation platform that allows you to create realistic videos, animations, and visual content using simple text prompts or images. It's popular among creators, marketers, freelancers, and business owners who want professional-looking videos without traditional editing. Step 1. Create a free account. Open your browser and visit the Luma AI website. Click Sign Up and create a free account using your Google account, Apple ID, or email address. Once you're logged in, you'll gain access to Dream Machine, Luma's AI video generation tool. Step 2. Create your first video. Inside Dream Machine, enter a prompt describing the video you want to create. For example, a futuristic city at night with flying cars, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic. You can also upload an image and convert it into a moving video. Click Generate and wait for the AI to process your request. Step 3. Improve results with better prompts. To get higher quality videos include subject, environment, camera movement, lighting style. Example, a golden retriever running through a sunflower field during sunset, drone camera shot, cinematic lighting, slow motion. Detailed prompts usually produce much better results. Free access tip. Luma AI offers limited free generations for new users. To maximize free usage, plan prompts before generating. Reuse successful prompts. Use image to video when possible. Avoid creating unnecessary variations. This helps you save credits and create more content for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to lrnYash, and comment Luma AI if you want more AI tutorials like this. See you in the next video.